Chapter 1, Chapter 3, Chemical Reactions and Equations. And today we are going to learn 3 topics from these chapters: decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. First of all, let us start with decomposition reaction. Definition: the reaction in which there is only one reactant giving rise to two more products is called a decomposition reaction. Means reactant is one, but from that reactant we get two or more than two products. For example, sugar molecule is here and the chemical formula is C12H22O11. If heat is given to sugar molecule, it decomposes and we get two products, carbon and water. Second example of decomposition reaction is when calcium carbonate is decomposed by giving heat, then we get two products. First is calcium oxide and second is carbon dioxide. And third example is 2H2O2. H2O2 is molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide, and from this hydrogen peroxide by decomposition reaction we get two molecules of water and one molecule of oxygen. Means again there are two products. We can see from reaction 1, 2 and 3 that in each reaction there is one reactant, and from this one reactant we get two products. The next type is displacement reaction, and the definition is the reaction in which the place of the ion of less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ion is called displacement reaction. We know that whenever there is a formation of compound, it is made with two or more than two elements, and the elements in that compound may be less or more reactive. For example, if we consider the reaction of copper sulfate with iron, then in this reaction we know that copper is less reactive element than iron element. Therefore, this iron element displaces this copper element and there is formation of new compound, that is FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, and copper is displaced. Second example, copper sulfate plus lead. In this reaction also copper is less reactive than this lead. Therefore, copper is displaced and we get two products, PbSO4 and copper. And the last reaction is double displacement reaction. The reaction in which ions in the reactants are exchanged. आयनांची अदलाबदल होते. रिएक्टंट मध्ये जे आयन्स असतात त्यांची अदलाबदल होते. आता ह्या रासायनिक अभिक्रियेत AgNO3 प्लस NaCl यात दोन रिएक्टंट्स आहे, सिल्वर नायट्रेट आणि NaCl सोडियम क्लोराईड. तर यांच्यात जे आयन्स आहेत, आता पहिल्या मूलद्रव्यात पहिल्या एलिमेंट मध्ये जे आयन्स आहेत ते आहे Ag प्लस अँड NO3 मायनस अँड Na प्लस Cl minus. The reaction in which the ions in reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction. आता या रिएक्शन मध्ये Ag, NO3, Na आणि Cl या आयनांची अदलाबदल होऊन आपल्याला दोन वेगळे प्रॉडक्ट्स मिळत आहेत, AgCl आणि NaNO3. means silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride to give silver chloride and sodium nitrate, and these products are formed with the help of exchange of ions in the reactants. So such type of reaction is called as double displacement reaction. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Friends, if you have any difficulty or suggestions, please write in the comment box, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.